So this is the fifth paper of 2023. Are you with me?
Yes.
CBSE Accountancy 67 5 3
Okay.
of 2023. Let's read the first part. We'll start with it. Read the first part.
Nita and Samar are
First thing
partners.
that you will always read is what do they want from you?
Okay.
What do they want from you?
The value of goodwill of the firm
So they want
on
from you the
Nita's admission.
goodwill value on Nita's admission. Now read the question.
Nita and Samar are partners in a firm sharing profit in a ratio of 3:2. Their fixed capital were 90,000 and 210,000 respectively. They admitted Mittal on April 1st, 2022 as a new partner for one-fifth share in future profit. Mittal brought 1,50,000 as her capital. The value of goodwill of the firm on Mittal's admission were
Okay. So for one-fifth share, Mitali is getting how much?
uh, one share she's getting 1,50,000.
One-fifth share, she's getting 1,50,000. They want the value of goodwill.
Mm,
So what should be the total capital of the firm?
Total capital 1,50,000 into 5.
So the total capital of the firm should be, can you do along with me, okay?
Yes.
1,50,000 into 5. So this becomes how much?
7,50,000.
7,50,000.
Yes.
What is the actual capital?
Actual capital is 90 plus 2,10,000 plus 1,50,000.
So this becomes
5, 1, 3, 4. 4,50,000 actual capital.
the total capital is 750.
Yes,
It should be. Actual
yes,
capital is 450.
yes.
So what is the goodwill?
Goodwill will be 3 lakh.
Option A.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Read the next part.
Bina and Ria are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3. They admitted
1 minute.
Sia.
Hang on, hang on. When you read, you should try writing the things what you come across.
Okay.
So I will write Beena and Ria.
Okay.
Do they want I will read first?
Profit sharing ratio
They
of
want
Bina.
the new profit sharing ratio.
Yes, new profit sharing ratio.
Old ratio is how much?
5:3.
Okay.
They
Partners
admitted.
share.
Uh, yes.
New partners share is how much?
3 by 8.
Okay. And
2
where
by
has she
8 from
acquired
Bina.
this? Hmm.
2 by 8 from Bina and 1 by 8 from sorry, yeah, Ria.
So 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Correct?
Yes.
So this will become how much?
Uh, 3 by 8 and 2 by 8 and 3 by 8.
Hmm. So new ratio will be how
2,
much?
3:2:3. A, option
Come on, go to the next one.
Okay. Neither Suman and Harsh were partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. Suman retires from the firm. On the date of Suman's retirement, 30,000 was due to her. The remaining partner decided to pay her in 3-month installments starting from the end of first year. 30,000 will be transferred to which account of the following? Uh,
So see,
Option A.
Suman has retired,
Yes.
and Suman had to receive 30,000 on her retirement.
Okay.
They are going to pay her in installments. So the retiring
Yes.
partner, we will transfer it to the retiring partner's loan account. When do we
Okay.
transfer to the executor's account?
Executive when the partner dies.
When the partner dies. Very good. Read the next one.
Uh, Assertion. Uh, Partnership is the relation between person who has agreed to share the profit of the business carrying on by all or any of them acting for all.
This is true or right? Incorrect.
True.
Okay, this is true. So this
Okay.
option goes away.
Yeah.
Come on, reason.
If a partner carries on any business of the same nature and competing with that of the firm, he or she shall account for and pay to the firm all profits made by him or her in the business.
Correct or incorrect?
समझ नहीं आया.
Okay,
Like,
fine. देखो, first they say that partnership is a relationship between two or more persons who agree to share profits or losses carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. This is correct because this is the
yes.
correct definition of partnership.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is the definition of partnership. But the reason that they are giving for this definition is incorrect. This
Yes.
R is correct all by itself, but it is not the correct reason for your assertion. They say if I have a partner,
Yeah.
okay, partnership means they agree to share all the profits or losses they are going to earn in the same business. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, fine. But if one of the partner is working separately
Okay.
and the business is of the same nature, suppose if they are selling sweets, even this person is selling sweets, but he is not
Okay.
working with the partnership, he is working separately. Then they are saying this partner should give the firm all the profits that he has earned.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is correct because in partnership, if he is working in the same nature, he should work with the partnership. He cannot go alone. This reason
Okay.
is independently correct. The assertion is independently correct.
Okay.
But reason is not the correct explanation for the assertion.
Yes, yes.
So it is option D.
Okay.
Read the next one. What do they want from us?
Hoshi, uh, Hoshi's share of profit till the date of her death was.
Okay, so they want a share of profit till the date of her death. Okay, whenever we read, while reading, we should start writing. So even you should start writing. We have three partners, Khushi, Namita, Manvi. Their
Okay.
profit sharing ratio was 5 is to 2 is to 3. Khushi has
Three.
died, right?
Yes.
When did she die?
Uh, on 30 June 2022.
30 June. So after this, 3 months more,
Yeah.
April, May, June.
Okay.
The partnership deed provided that on the death of the partner, her share of profit till the date of the death is to be calculated on the basis of average profit of last 3 years
Okay.
less 10,000. Average profit of last 3 years. What will you do?
120 minus 50,000 less
120 minus 50 is how much?
120 minus 50.
70.
uh, 70. Okay,
70
70 plus
plus
170.
170. So this becomes how much?
14, like 240. 240,000.
240,000. Calculation along with yourself, okay?
Yes.
Divided by 3.
240
3
divided by
ones are
3. 9. 34. 8 80,000. 80,000.
how much?
80,000.
80,000
Yeah.
less 10,000, right?
Yes. 81.
So this will become,
It will become 70,000
so her share of profit would be,
into 5 by 10.
so how much?
700 into 5. 35.
It
30,
is not 35.
35,000. Okay.
It is not
Actually.
35,000. Over here, we have to take, we have to find out Khushi's share of profit.
Okay.
What do we have to find out? Khushi's share of
What's the share
profit
of profit?
till the date of her death. Okay. So we got 2,40,000 average profit
Okay.
for the last 3 years and divided by 3. So 80,000 is our average profit for the last 3 years.
Yes.
Okay. 80,000, and in that you will have to minus 10,000.
Okay.
This becomes the 70,000.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I have to find out Khushi's share
Uh,
till her death. Are you with me?
okay. Yes.
So 70,000, her share is how much?
Her share is
5
5
by
by 10.
10.
Yeah.
And she has died on 30th June 2022.
Okay.
So that means till March 2022, we have taken the average profit of last 3 years,
Yes.
but she's died after March 2022. So we have April, May, and June,
Okay.
3 months. So we want her share of profits for 3 months.
Okay.
So into 3 divided by 12. We want her share of profits for 3 months. So into 3 divided by 12. So this will become how much?
Wait.
3 ones are and 3 fours are.
Okay.
4 ones are 4 1 3.
Three.
4 8 12 16 20 24. 7s are 28. 2
5.
5 0. So this will become 1750 into 5.
0, 5,
7
35.
5s are
37.
35, 36,
That's right.
37. 5
3.
ones are 5 and 6 7 8. So Khushi's share
Okay.
of profit till her death is 8750.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Hmm. Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Okay.
What is the minimum price at which a share can be issued?
Minimum price for the equities
PT
and
share was of 10.
okay.
10 is what? Called up. Fully called up.
Okay.
Out of this, 6 is what?
6 we received.
Paid. So this is the maximum discount I can give.
Yes, ma'am.
What we receive is the maximum discount. And what we did not receive.
Minimum.
So minimum price at which it can be issued is
4.
what?
4.
4. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Read the next one.
200 equity share of rupees 10 each issued at par were forfeited for non-payment of first call for 3 months share. Final call of 2 per share were not yet called, by which amount the share capital will be debited on forfeiture.
Hmm. Capital account will be debited. Share
Okay.
capital is debited by which amount?
Yeah.
By which amount?
Uh, called up amount. Called
By
up.
the called up amount.
Hmm.
Final call is not yet called up, right?
Okay. Yes.
So 10 was the share for
10
8
share.
was called up.
Okay.
Final call was not yet called.
Yes.
So common share capital will be debited by what amount?
16.
Hmm?
60. 1 lakh 60. 1016. 1600. Sorry. 1600. Yes.
Yeah?
1600. Yeah.
Come on. What do they want?
Correct account treatment for investment fluctuation reserve.
They want the correct accounting treatment for investment fluctuation reserve.
Okay.
Okay. Whom
Okay.
are my partners? Indu, Vijay, and Pavan.
Okay.
Profit sharing ratio is 4 is to 3 is to
Forest
3.
3.
New profit sharing ratio is
3 is to
3 is to
3.
3 is to 2
2
is
is
to
to 2.
2.
Hmm.
Investment fluctuation reserve is how much?
80,000.
Market value of investment is how much?
80,000.
Okay, the value of investment has fallen by how much?
Uh, 10,000.
The value of the investment is fallen by 10,000. Okay, fine. Investment fluctuation reserve, is this an undistributed profit?
Yes.
Okay. At the time of admission of partners, what do we do?
At the time of admission of partner, we will
We will
do the
distribute
balance and
this.
distribute. Yes.
We will distribute this amongst whom?
Old partners, old ratio.
All partners, old ratio. So this investment fluctuation reserve should get cancelled, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that means investment fluctuation reserve will be debited by 80,000.
Okay.
Okay. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. This 80,000 should be distributed amongst all partners in old ratio. But I
Okay.
have a loss due to fall in the market value of investments.
Yes.
Much?
10,000.
So balance is what?
70,000.
This 70,000 has to be distributed in the ratio of all partners old ratio. So 4 is to 3 is to 3.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this entry is incorrect. This entry is correct, but investment value fall is not accounted for.
Yes.
So I think this entry is correct, right?
Yes, option D.
Full investment fluctuation reserve is removed. Value of the investment is reduced by 10,000 and the remaining is distributed.
Okay.
Okay. This
Yeah.
part normally people forget. So don't forget this.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let's go ahead. What do they
Uh,
want?
amount of commission payable to Sumit will be
Okay, fine.
commission payable to Sumit.
Amount of commission payable. Read the question.
Amit, Sumit, and Kiran are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1. Sumit entitled to commission of 15% uh, on the net profit after charging such commission. The net profit before charge.
15% after charging.
Yes.
So net profit before commission is how much?
Before commission 9 lakh 20,000.
Okay. If it is after, then what do we do?
It will be 9 lakh 20,000 into 15 divided by 100 plus 15.
Okay. So if I want commission after charging commission, so it
Yeah.
would be whatever is the commission amount into
Yes.
15 divided by 115. It is if it is before, then
Before it will be 9 lakh
directly the
20,000. Yeah.
percentage. So for after it would be 15 divided by 115.
Okay.
So 5 threes are, 5 twos are, and 5 threes are. Does this go in 92 table?
Don't think so.
23 into 4 try.
Yes, yes. First, three table. Right?
4, 8, 12.
Yes.
4 twos are 8 and 9.
Yeah.
92. So
Yeah. Four.
23 ones are and 23,
Four.
40, 0,
Oh.
0, 0. 40,000 into 3.
Okay.
1,20,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So net profit. So
Yes.
commission is net profit
Net profit before
after commission.
after after commission. Sorry.
So if it
Net
is
profit after
after, so
commission.
it will be net profit into 15 divided by 100 plus the commission rate.
Okay.
Read the next part.
Yeah.
What do they
PQR.
want?
They want adjustment entry.
They want the
Uh,
adjustment entry to rectify the error.
okay.
So come on, read.
Yeah. PQR are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1. Mm. For the year ended 31st March, interest on capital were credited to them at 10% instead of 5% per annum.
So interest on capital was 5%,
Yes.
but you gave them 10%.
Yes.
You gave them more. So
Okay.
necessary adjustment entry. Think over it and just pause the video. So what they should be the interest on capital? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what should be the interest on capital? We should give them 5%. That means we should give them 10,000, 5,000, and 2,500. Yes,
Okay. Yes, yes, yes.
we should give them 5%.
Okay.
But we gave them 20,000, 10,000,
10,000 and
and
5,000.
5,000. Now I want the rectifying entry. We should give them this much, and we gave them this much.
Okay.
For this one, okay?
Okay.
We have given them extra amount of 17,500. We had to give them 17,500.
Okay.
We gave them how much? 35,000.
Yes.
This is the correct thing that we had to do, and we gave them 35,000.
Okay.
So that means we have given them extra of how much?
Extra
Double, right? So we
17.
have given
Yes.
them extra of 17,500.
Yes. We
So
give
this
them the.
extra of 17,500 has to be debited back to their account.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I have to make an adjustment table for P's current account,
Okay.
Q's current account, R, and the
Oh,
firm.
yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Interest on capital. Okay, it is given to the firm. So for the firm, it is what?
Loss.
Hmm?
It's a profit.
Think properly.
No, sorry, sorry. It's a loss for the firm.
It is a
Um,
loss for the firm. Okay. So this is debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, and credit.
Okay.
We have given the partners extra credit, right?
Yes.
Partners are credited
Okay.
extra by 17,500 because we gave them 10%.
Ah, yes.
So now we have to reverse this.
Okay.
So we will debit the partners.
Okay.
Think
10,000.
properly first. First think. Partners are given an extra credit of 17,500.
Yes.
So now we have to debit the partners.
Okay.
This was 20,000. We gave him 20,000. We had to give him 10,000. So
Okay.
10,000 I will reverse back.
Okay.
For
10,000.
Q, how much will I reverse back?
5,000.
And for R, how much I will reverse back?
2,500.
2,500. And for the firm, it was a loss. So I gave the firm an extra debit of 17,500.
Yes.
So now I will
Okay.
reverse it. So I will credit it by 17,500.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now 17,500 firm has got profit.
Okay.
Now this profit has to be distributed again
Yes.
amongst the partners.
Okay.
17,500 firm has made a profit because of correction.
Yes.
Okay. So now this profit has to be distributed again amongst the partners in their profit sharing ratio.
Okay.
17,500, what is the profit sharing ratio?
It's two, two by, yeah, two, two,
1.
one.
So 17,500 divided by 5 is how much?
17,000 divided by 5. It will be 3,
5
3,
1s are, 5 3s are 15,
yeah, 3,100.
3,500.
Sorry, 3,005. Yeah,
So this
5.
17,500 now I have to distribute. So here it is debit. So other places it will be how much? Credit.
Credit
So this will be 3,500 into 2.
into 2.
because 2
0,
is to 2 is to 1.
yeah,
7,000,
10,000.
7,000 and 3,500.
7,000, 7,000, 3,500. Okay.
What is the net effect?
Okay. 1 minute. This name, this credit, 1,000 credit.
So the net effect would be 3,000 debit. P's current account debit. Q will be
Yeah.
credited 2,000
2,000. Yeah.
and this would be 1,000 credit.
And name.
P's current account debit, Q's current account credit, and R's
Okay.
current account credit.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now do the ninth one.
Yeah. A partnership deed provides that interest on capital should be allowed at 10% per annum. The amount for interest on Ishita's capital account will be
Okay.
uh,
What is the
he,
hypothetical text on top?
yeah, it's N- Nita, yeah, it's they are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 2,
Hmm.
and the fixed capital is 1,000, 1 lakh 80,000, 1 lakh 60,000, and 2 lakh respectively.
Hmm.
Yeah. For the year end 31st March, Nita withdrew 7,500 at the end of the quarter. Yeah,
Okay.
each quarter.
Hmm.
So, and the
Nitya,
interest,
Nitya is withdrawing 7,500 at the end of each quarter.
yes.
My
Oh,
partnership deed tells that the interest on capital is 10%.
yeah, it's 20,000.
So 10% of the capital. Does this have any relevance on the interest that you're going to give on the capital?
No, no,
There's no relevance. So 20,000 is the capital of whom? Ishita.
Ishita.
And 10% should be provided to her. So
Yes.
20,000.
Okay.
Come on. The 10th one.
The average number of a month for which the interest on drawings will be calculated will be 4.5 for and a half months.
For the same thing.
Yes,
Why
at each
4.5?
quarter.
Can you give me an explanation?
Because while calculating withdrawing for each month, like end of each quarter, sorry, each quarter,
Okay.
for end of each quarter it will be 4.5, and for middle and beginning it will be 7.5 and 6.
So for the beginning of quarter, for
Yes, ma'am.
drawings.
Yes,
How much?
10.5.
7.5.
Yeah.
End of
Yes.
quarter
4.5.
and middle of the quarter.
6.
Okay. So for the above, at the end of the quarter,
Yeah.
it is 4.5.
Okay.
Okay. Read the 11th one. First try and do it. Then I will start
Share
the
for future. Okay.
method. They want to say that they have forfeited 110,000 shares. Share forfeiture account will be credited by what amount?
For
One,
future. Wait.
when you forfeit the shares, share
Yes, yes.
capital account is debited by what amount?
Uh, 10 lakh.
What account?
Wait.
Called up amount.
called out, called up.
Share forfeiture is credited by what amount?
Amount received.
Amount received. And calls in arrears is credited by amount not received. Are you with me? So they want to
Yes.
know share forfeiture account will be credited with what amount. So now you have to check. 10 is the face value and premium is 20%. That means premium is 2. Are you with me?
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Please unmute your mic and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. There is non payment of the first call and final call.
Yes.
So there is non payment of 5.
Okay.
So payment is for how much?
Um, Payment is 5.
Non payment is 5. So payment is 5. So
Yeah.
share forfeiture will be credited by 5.
5. Yes.
Into how many shares?
1,10,000 shares. It will be
110,000 shares.
5,10,000.
5,50,000.
Yes, sorry, 5,50,000.
Are you with me, Anas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Are you sure, both of you? Please unmute your mic, Yasir.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, 11B. Which of the following statement is true? Shares
Oh,
of a public limited company are not freely transferable. Is it true or false?
yes. It's false. No,
No, it is not.
it's false. It can be transferred easily.
Shares of a public limited company can be transferred. Very good. Come on, next one. Paid up capital is that part of subscribed capital which has been called up.
Yes, true. No, so it paid up capital.
First, you have authorized share capital.
Yes.
Issued capital is a part of authorized share capital.
Yes.
Then subscribed capital is a part of issued capital.
Okay.
Yeah. And then they
Yes.
say paid up capital is that part of subscribed capital. After there is subscribed capital, you have called up capital.
Yes.
Okay, what you called up, they pay up. Then you have paid
Okay.
up capital.
Yeah,
So
it's
paid up
false.
capital is a part of called up capital or paid up capital is a part of subscribed capital.
It's called up.
So paid up capital is the part of called up capital.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this statement is also false. You should know this, huh? Authorized, issued, subscribed, called up, paid up.
Yes.
Yes.
Come, read the C part. The company
The
cannot
co-
raise more capital than the amount of capital specified in the memorandum of association.
False.
false.
What is the amount of capital specified in the memorandum of association?
This one I don't know.
This is called the authorized capital.
Okay.
The amount of capital that is specified in the memorandum of association is called the authorized capital. And you cannot raise more than authorized capital.
Yeah,
So this statement is true or false?
it's false, I think.
False here.
Yeah, it's false, false.
You cannot raise more than authorized capital. This is what this statement is telling. Think, read properly.
Yes, that is clear. Clear.
You have the PDF, right?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
You cannot raise more than that in the author
yes,
memorandum. So this statement is true.
yes.
Part of
Okay.
uncalled capital, which is called only in the event of winding up of the company, is called capital reserve.
Okay.
True or false?
Uh, it's false, right? Is it?
Why false?
The part of un, un,
Part of conclusion is called. No, that is
no, no,
called
that's false. It's capital reserve, right?
no, capital reserve is
Mm, yeah.
no, it is true.
Uncalled capital, which can be called up only in the event of winding up of the
No,
company, is
no.
called reserve capital.
Yes.
Yes,
Hmm? What is capital reserve? From your share forfeiture account, when you minus the discount, the extra profit that you get on reissue is transferred to a reserve that is called the capital reserve. Yes?
Okay. Yes.
So only statement C is true. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Come on, read the next one. What do they want? They want the journal entry on account of
Yes,
change in the profit sharing ratio.
yes,
You
ma'am.
read the question, think over it.
Okay.
Who are partners? LMN. Their old profit sharing ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2. After this, they decided to share profits equally with effect from 1st April. So they want to make it 1 is to 1 is to 1. On that date, there was a balance of general reserves of 200,000
Okay.
and a credit balance of 400,000 in the profit and loss account. The journal entry for above on account of change in the PSR will be. Now listen to this properly. Okay? When there is a change in the PSR, at that time, whatever is your old balance sheet, you revalue the balance sheet. Whatever the whole undistributed profits is there or undistributed losses is there, it is given to the old partners in old ratio. I
Okay.
think
Yes.
when there is admission, retirement, death, okay, what is happening is you revalue your assets and liabilities. You revalue your assets and liabilities. All the good thing happens over here. All the bad things happen over here. The profit or loss on revaluation is given to old partners in old ratio. First thing, if there is
Okay.
any undistributed profits like general reserve, profit and loss account, that is also given to the old partners in old ratio. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have general reserves of 200,000, you have profit or loss of 400,000. So this both will be given to the old partners in old ratio.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So if this both is given to the old partners in old ratio, general reserves and profit and loss account will be debited. Think
Yes. One
properly.
minute.
Yes.
One minute. One
The
minute.
liability side, you will have general reserves, profit and loss account, and this both has to be given to your partner's capital account on the credit side. So this both will be debited.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So
Yes,
general
ma'am.
reserves, profit and loss account will be debited. So either it could be C or D. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This will be given to all partners in what ratio?
It will be given to old restaurant.
This would be distributed amongst the all partners in
Old
all
ratio.
ratio. So here it is distributed equally. So will this option be correct?
Yes. One minute. No, no, this is wrong. This is wrong. C is wrong.
C is wrong. So
So
this
the
will be
answer is D.
distributed amongst all partners in old
Old
ratio.
ratio.
You'll have your steps of dissolution, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Just go through those steps of dissolution, learn,
Okay.
then try this B part of it. I will ask you the steps of dissolution. Try 13, 14, 15, 16. Try
Okay.
all the MCQs. I will meet you again in 10 minutes. Don't leave the meeting. You all can discuss and try. The PDF is shared with you. And then I will come back and discuss. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
चलो क्या किए ये वाले में
XYZ
XY and
R
Z
partner.
part.
अनरिकॉर्डेड फर्नीचर
Yes.
किधर डालेंगे
Unrecorded furniture. We
नहीं अनरिकॉर्डेड फर्नीचर इज व्हाट गुड और बैड
good.
Good.
unrecorded furniture mean assets is going up
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
asset is going up it is a good thing
Yes. So it will be
Okay.
credit to
change
evaluation.
in the PSR so where will the good things go
Evaluation account credit side.
on the revaluation account credit side so
Yes.
crediting
Okay.
the revaluation account okay
Yes.
what I want from y'all is y'all will try from the 13th to the 20th questions
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
okay and part B y'all will do before y'all meet me at 4